Hey, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Are you looking to cash out your classic or specialty ride? Well, we have you covered. Tired of tire kickers and scammers?
I'm still waiting on a settlement. I should get the money next year if it's still available.
Is this available?
Do you take trades?
Don't worry about all that nonsense. We've got you covered here at Bullet Motorsports. We've bought and sold over 3,000 classic and specialty cars, and we have a stellar reputation. We offer direct buying if you need funds quickly, or we offer consignment services for a small fee. All you have to do is go to our website, click on consignment or sell your car. It's that easy.
This is gonna take forever.
It only takes 1 minute and you'll get a response the same day with a competitive offer on your ride or the next steps you will take for our specialty consignment services.
Oh, that's not so bad.
We have what you need. We have an automotive indoor-based studio. We have a talented media team, extensive online presence. We also know how to take care of all the proper sales paperwork so you don't have any issues in the future. We are here to help. So if you want to find out more information, click on the link below. We want to buy your car. We want to consign your car. We can even store it. See you later.